All right, I'm out here at Davis Island, excited to do a tour of one of our upcoming listings with Addie here, and she is, what would you consider yourself, project manager on this? Design consultant?
A lot of hats, but
A lot of hats?
a lot of hats on this project, but ultimately the listing agent for it. And we have just a little run through now, show you guys the progress of it. But we're excited, and it is coming soon. We are in the framing stage. The windows just got put in. Next step is the front door, and then hopefully our glue ducting stage will then transfer on to the drywall and stucco to where it's a little bit more appealing. But we'll guide you guys and take you with us on that journey, and hope you guys enjoy.
Yeah, and this is a first look, again, in one of Tampa's hottest addresses, right in Davis Island,
Yep.
on West Davis Boulevard. Brand new construction. She's going to explain it to us as we go through. So,
And it
yeah.
is towards the end of West Davis Boulevard, so that's an advantage. You don't have, that entrance traffic that you get on the northern side of West Davis. So that's also a peak. You're closer to the water, closer to the park, closer to the little beach and the marina back there.
Yep, so premium location and a premium island. So, yeah, without further ado, Addie's going to take us on a tour.
Yeah, so here we have the entrance, elevation 6 feet, so we're pretty up high already, as you can see with all the older houses around us. We have a nice little entrance here. Straight view all the way to the back. Open floor plans. As you walk in, here we have our formal dining, and here what we've designed is kind of a parlor. Started with a parlor idea. The way that we designed it in the renderings was with this wall being kind of like a bookshelf / library-ish. It could be like a little decompression lounge, with this mirroring the view, the window out there, which opens. So it's pretty nice, little relaxing room layout. This is just a bonus room. You can make it whatever it is you guys want. It doesn't take away from any other features in the house. It's just an additional little bonus room that was available with the square footage of the house. What's nice about this formal dining is that it has like a little buffet area here. So if you look, it has a hallway, a little private hallway with the cabinets, counters, little floating shelves. So like a little butler kitchen area. And it leads you right to the kitchen. So if you're hosting a formal event, you have this little hallway here to kind of connect from formal to kitchen area. And here we are with the kitchen. The kitchen, this is the main wall where the hood and stove will be. And we have a double island, which is also a really nice feature. The main island here, and then the cocktail / entertainment island will be right here. So if you can picture that, it has a lot of room and space for entertainment and hosting. We also have a little breakfast nook where it has plenty of space, a lot of windows, a lot of views to the outside, which is really nice. All the windows open. We designed it for a round table, but you can also put a square or rectangular table. It's up to you what you like with the design. And here we have the open floor concept with the family room right here. Again, all of the open space, all of the open windows with the view of the backyard, really spacious backyard and the pool, which I'll take you to in a minute. One of the most exciting parts of this family room that I like here is this nice feature that we have with the wine cellar. So from top to bottom, it's all glass. The door is right here on the hallway entrance, which will also be glass. So we'll have this whole wall featuring just different shelving for wine. We're thinking maybe 100 to 125 bottles of wine you're able to fit in there, depending on the style we go with. All right, so behind this kitchen wall here, we have our elite guest suite. If you want to follow me, this is the entrance. really nicely sized. We have our really spacious walk-in closet right over here. And we also have a full bath solely for this guest suite. We have the little linen closet, toilet, sink, and spacious shower. Definitely nice for all your guests to stay and enjoy. Right outside this suite and right by the kitchen, we have this private door that leads you to the outdoor kitchen. Barbecue grill, little sink space. We have an outdoor pool bath, which is really nice. It's also a full bath, so you want to take a peek in there. Sink, toilet, shower, really spacious and nice for all your guests to use. And on the other side here, we have our super spacious patio. And again, if you look at this straight view, as soon as you walk in, you see the view from outside. From back here, you see the roof from inside. So it's really nice, really nice when you're throwing a party for entertainment, etc. And since we're here in the best part of the house, well, we'll be spending most of our time. We have our super spacious backyard, which is unlikely to see in any other houses here in the Davis Island area, and 15 by 30 pool and spa. So definitely nice feature. You typically see like the little, lunch pools, but super spacious, and also your spa, which is a super, really sweet bonus. And then last but not least, out here, we have another little sectioned patio that is connected to outside of your office. So if you're hosting a meeting, you want to keep it private, you want to keep them within this concentrated area, you have a designated patio space for your office. All right, so standing here in the entrance in the foyer area, as you walk in, you have your private entrance hallway here that leads you and your guests right to the guest bath. It's a half bath, and also you have the entrance of your office. So if you look in here, very spacious, oversized office area, and as we previously discussed, we have our double doors that leads you to your little private office patio space. You want to follow me? I'll take you to the second floor. Watch your step. All right, so we're here in the second story. We have this open concept here where you can see right down to the foyer. Huge chandelier just hanging down, beautiful concept. To the right and to the left of me here, we have bedrooms. So all of our bedrooms, which is super sweet, they're all in suites. They have their walk-in closet and a full bath. So if you look at here, those windows open out, very nice. Over here we have a walk-in closet, and here we have our full bath. If you look at the size of the shower, super spacious. And then on the other side, we kind of have the same layout put together. Spacious room. We have our windows, walk-in closet, and full-size bath. As we transition back here, we have our hallway that leads us to the rest of this second story. All right, so right here we have our laundry room. If you walk in, we have all counter space here, washer, dryer. We're gonna have counters on the very top. We have a sink right underneath the window with counter space here. So super spacious, a lot of space for you to fold your clothes. If you wanna put a hanging pole here, you can, but very long and comfortable to walk through. Right over here, one of my favorite spaces in the house is we have another half bath, and here we have an entertainment room. So you can do a game room, you can do kind of little movie room, a cocktail host party, or just kind of put a little lounge area here, whatever the buyers want to do. You also have the double doors that takes you to the extensive balcony that we have up here. Watch your step. The balcony space goes all the way over here, which is where the master suite is in. Very spacious. You see the pool. I'm gonna keep far away from from the edge since there's no railing yet, but knock yourself out. Look at the other bedrooms and then finish off in the master suite. Look at the width of this hallway, very spacious and comfortable to walk through. We have our mechanical room here, one of our mechanical closets. The elevator, which we haven't spoken of, goes all the way from the garage. It has access, a private door in the garage, to the second story of the house. So garage, first story, second story, and then this is where I'll leave you off. Here we have a bedroom with our walk-in closet, and this full bath is the one that we actually have a bathtub in. So you have 3 bedrooms upstairs plus the master suite. They all have showers, and this one has its bathtub. Sorry. Last but not least, we have our master suite. This is a double door entrance. As you walk in, we have this morning bar, super sweet. We're gonna have counters, cabinets. You have space to put a little fridge, floating shelves right up there. Make your coffee in the morning or have a glass of wine, champagne, celebrate special occasion. Over here to your left, we have the master bath. So our linen closet, we have counters here, counters there, sink, his and hers. Hers is over here because it's connected to a makeup vanity, which you can kind of see the design there. And if we take a look at this, it kind of gives you an idea of his sink, the freestanding bathtub, and hers. And then hers leads right onto the makeup vanity over there. Yeah. We have the toilet room in here. And then look at the size of this shower. I mean, we're gonna have shower head here, shower head here. We have the controls here for the little handheld, but we're gonna have 2 doors, and we have the valve here, the valve there, so you don't have to soak yourself when you're opening the shower or when you're turning it on. We have this really nice for her little bench for shaving. Very spacious. You have the sunlight that comes in through those windows. Very nice. And then master suite right here. Master suite also has the double doors to go out into the balcony and the 3-panel window here. So saving the best for last, right in here is the master closet. You have this whole space, seriously bigger than some of the bedrooms we've walked in other houses, but you have all of the wall space, space for a little island in the middle, enough space for all the bags and shoes.
All right, guys. Well, we're done here. Thank you, Addie, for the tour. We're excited to see this, every week or every other week as you get to completion and see all the updates. I know some of the renderings you probably saw in this video, but yeah. What challenges or what are you excited about most now?
Well, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm excited to put on the front door, get those drywalls up, put stucco out, and then we can do a second part to where you guys can see it in a more finished view, to where it's kind of easier to grasp the concept of each room, each entertainment space, more of the beauty of the house. But as you can see, it's a massive project. It's coming along. As I'm sure all of you guys in the industry know, we've had tons of delays, but nothing we can do about that. We're doing our best to work with them. But definitely stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and follow us so that you guys can keep up to date with this project, the finishing piece, hopefully early mid next year. So we're thinking sometime in the spring, but definitely tune in for more.
Yeah, and if you're interested in possibly purchasing this in the future, you really better hit that subscribe button or follow us. So we are going to give you more, so stay tuned for that.
Tuned.
All right, bye.
Bye.